Hello, very good morning to all of you dears. Welcome back. So today in this revision module, we are going to start essay writing. Okay, we'll see essay writing. So essay writing is also important writing in writing section C. Okay, so in your exam, in this exam, forthcoming exam, you are going to face essay. Okay, and you should write an essay. Okay, so better to learn essay. Okay, you can learn half of the essay for this exam. Okay, so what do you understand by essay writing? So essay writing is an expression to one's thought on a given subject. Okay, expression to one's thought on a given subject, number one. And it is a written composition in well arranged paragraph. Okay, it is a written composition in well arranged paragraph. If we talk about the style of essay writing, so you must remember some points to be noted in your mind. Number one, simplicity. Your language should be simple. Okay, simple language, simple words, simple sentences you should use. Clarity. Okay, clarity is also necessary in your essay writing. You should clear your view. You should clear your given theme, to whom you are talking about. Originality. Okay, originality. Please keep clear originality of essay. Okay, your essay should confirm originality, okay, of subject. So originality also important in essay writing. Then accuracy. Exactly, exact. Okay, your essay should be accurate. Okay, accuracy also must be needed in essay, means exact. Okay, point to be exact. Next, brevity. Okay, here brevity means least number of words. Okay, you should use least number of words. And you should talk about a relevant topic, not to go irrelevant. Then unity. Your structure, your sentence should be united. There should be unification in your structures. Your sentence should be organized, well organized. Okay. Then order. You must remember the order of given subject. Okay, in which order you are maintaining your given subject. Okay, so it is about style of essay writing. Then we'll see how to write an essay. Okay, remember some point. Number one, understand subject fully. You must understand given subject theme fully. Okay, number two, collection of material. Okay, you should collect all the materials relevance to given topic. Next, planning. Planning also needed in essay writing. Keep proper planning for given subject on given theme. The next, divide in para. Okay, we must divide our essay in different para. By the using of paragraphs, so we can easily deal any topic given to us in essay writing. Okay, now if we talk about structure of essay writing. Okay, structure of essay writing. So in structure of essay writing, we have divided structure of essay writing in three category. Okay, three categories. We are categorized essay writing in three category. Number one, introduction. Okay, introduction. In introduction, we'll talk about what, reason. Okay, then body, effect, affect, then conclusion. Okay, at the end conclusion, we can suggest, we can advise, we can give our opinion. So we have divided essay writing in three characteristic: introduction, body, and conclusion. Okay, so let's see essay writing. So this time we are going to start wonders of science. Okay, common essay we are going to start wonder of science, but for your exam I am giving you two essay: importance of games and sports and wonders of science. Okay, you should learn both: importance of games and sports and wonders of science. So importance of games and sports, do yourself. Importance of games and sports, do yourself. And wonders of science I am showing you. Okay, so let's start wonders of science. Okay, so we are going to start essay. Okay, we'll learn. Okay, we'll see essay writing, and I have mentioned you the points to be remember for essay writing. Okay, you must remember these all things in essay writing. Okay, so you can easily deal essay writing. Okay, by using this point, on the basis of these points. Okay, so we'll check wonders of science. Okay, we'll see wonders of science. Uh, okay, so from where we have to start? So we are going to start your essay. Okay, then easily can deal. Okay, first we'll talk about outline. You keep your outline also in essay. Number one. So let's start essay writing. First, quotation. We will start our essay by using a quotation. Keep the quotation. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Yes, the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. It is told by Edward Teller. Edward Teller told the science of today is technology of tomorrow. Then outline. Okay, we'll talk about outline. So we have 13, okay, subject 13 point to deal in this essay. Introduction, scientific inventions, means of transport and communication, okay, medicine, surgery, computer, mobile phone, agriculture, atomic energy, entertainment and education, electricity, disadvantage of science, and how to minimize the disadvantage of science, and conclusion. 13 point we have to deal in this essay. So let's start. Number one, we will start from where? Okay, so we will start from introduction. Okay, we'll see essay from introduction. So introduction, it is age of science. We are living in the age of science. We have seen many wonders of science. Okay, science lead our life luxurious and comfortable. Science has given us easier or comfortable life. Okay, and science plays vital role in our daily or day-to-day life. Okay, it has it can make our dream a real. Okay, it has made dream and imagination of man true. Okay, it can make our dreams and imagination true. Okay, by observation of simple event man has invented great things. Okay, we observe very simple event, so by using science we can deal a big thing easily. Science is nothing but, if i gave you if I give you simple definition of science, so it will be, science is nothing but a systematic way of knowledge and living. Science is nothing but a systematic way of knowledge and living. Then we'll talk about scientific inventions. Okay, so we'll talk about scientific invention. Okay, so we'll see in scientific invention. So many, science has given us many scientific inventions. Okay, we have electricity, the greatest invention given by science. Okay, electricity serve us in many way. Okay, we can operate our television. Okay, in internet, sorry, in entertainment, we have television, radio, movie. Okay, and DVD, CD, everything we have. Okay, science run our train. It runs our train. Okay, it operates our meals. It operates our factories. Okay, it cools our house. It warms our house. It cools our house in summer days. It warms our house in winter days. We have motor car, scooter, railway engine, aeroplane, computer, everything. So these all things made our life luxurious and comfortable. Okay, so all are invention of science. Our modern life is impossible without these scientific invention. Our modern life is impossible without these scientific invention. Okay, so we have talked about scientific invention. Okay, then we'll see next, after scientific invention, means of transport and communication. Okay, we are going to see means of transport and communication. So let's see. So means of transport and communication, very easy. Okay, we have many means of transport and communication. Okay, and we can easily use these means. Okay, we have bus, car, train, aeroplane, ship, yacht. Okay, and it can we can travel, okay, from one place to another place within a short time. Okay, a man can reach any part of the world. You can reach any part of the world within some hours, within hours. Okay, even you can reach to different planet by using rocket. Okay, and we have, if we talk about talking and communication, in communication we have STD, ISD, we have mobile phone. So mobile phone is also giving excellent service in communication. Okay, then after means and transportation, we'll see next point, medicine and surgery. Okay, we'll see medicine and surgery. So science has given wonders in medicine. Okay, science can cure any disease, science can cure any deadly disease. Okay, TB, cancer, we have been controlled. Okay, now we science made men healthier. Okay, in field of surgery, science did many wonders. Okay, open heart surgery, heart transplantation has become very possible. Okay, open heart surgery, heart transplantation, okay, become easier and possible. Okay, so it was about medicine and surgery. Okay, if we talk about computer, so computer education, we know that in our country, yes, nowadays we are learning by computer. Okay, in this situation we have computer to join by online class. So our scientists have invented computers, and computer are wonderful invention in this time. Computer can do complex calculation and work quickly. Okay, it can work very quickly and it can solve any critical calculation. They have solved many problem of the men. Computer have solved many problem of the men. After computer, mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important mean in everyday's life. Okay, we have a smartphone, we have mobile phone. So it changed our world, it made our world beautiful and worth living. Okay, and we are learning many concept by mobile phone. You can learn any, because now the field of knowledge expanding day by day. So by your smartphone you can learn, you can study anything. Okay, so you can and it is portable instrument, so you can keep with you from anywhere. Okay, and it is very quickly to access mobile phone. Then if we talk about agriculture and atomic energy. Okay, so agriculture, if we talk about agriculture, yes, so science made many fertilizer. Okay, science made by using of science we can test our soil. Okay, soil testing become easier and possible, and science brought green revolution. Okay, so we have a bumper crop and surplus production by using scientific measures. Okay, so with the help of fertilizer, okay, with the help of fertilizer and medicine, okay, and better irrigational facility, we can take bumper crop. Green revolution and white revolution have given us a lot. Okay, green revolution and white revolution could success, okay, by science. So science has given us green and white revolution. So because the wonder of science, we have bumper and surplus production. Okay, then if we talk about atomic energy, so yes, science discover atomic energy also. Okay, now we have everything. Okay, for making us secure, for keeping our country safe and secure. Okay, so then if we talk about entertainment and education, okay, we'll see entertainment and education. So if we talk about entertainment and education, so science has given us, yes, if we are working whole day, so we need some relax and we need some something to entertain. Okay, so we have TV, radio, everything, mobile phone, robots, camera, computer, everything we have for entertaining. Okay, and for passing our time. Then electricity is most important thing. Electricity is a gift of science. Okay, it runs our meal. Okay, it runs our train and factory. It keeps our house warm and cool in different weather. Okay, so these are all things given to us by science. We have seen mobile phone, agriculture, atomic energy, and if we talk about, we have seen means of transport and communication, medicine and surgery. Okay, and scientific invention, entertainment, education, electricity. Now we'll see disadvantage. Every coin has two sides, like that. Okay, like that, science is a good servant but a bad master. Okay, how? Because every coin has two sides. Okay, one is dark, one is head, or second is tail. Like that, every aspect has two sides, one is dark and one is bright. Okay, so science has given us atom bombs. Okay, if any country use atom bombs, so the country can destroy whole the world and whole the humanity. Okay, so within minute, within a second, okay, anyone can, by using these bombs, hydrogen bomb, atom bomb, nuclear bomb, a person can kill whole the world, okay, in a few seconds. So big factories and machine have made water and air polluted. Yes, big factories and machine releasing their intoxic substance, dumping into water bodies due to aquatic territories ended, okay, ends. So it increases the chance of pollution in air or water. Okay, how to minimize the disadvantage of science? How we can minimize disadvantage of science? So we can create healthy atmosphere. Keep science your servant, not your honor. Okay, we should control overusing science. We should plant more and more trees. Okay, we should start plantation program. Okay, and we should try to keep our climate or environment healthy and safe. Okay, then if we talk about conclusion, so at the end, science is a great helper to modern men. Yes, science is a great helper to modern men. Okay, but we should use science properly. Okay, and it can make our life both living healthier and happier. Okay, man is called the master of the world because of science. Okay, we can be called master of the world. Okay, by proper utilization of science. Okay, so we should need proper utility of science. Okay, at last we again write a quotation: science is a beautiful gift to humanity, we should not distort it. Okay, science is a beautiful gift to humanity, we should not distort it. So it is tell by APJ Abdul Kalam. So it was about essay wonders of science. Okay, and I have shown you outline, I have shown you about two quotation. You can add more and more quotation in essay, and we deal 13 points. Okay, in this essay in outline. So you do one thing, you can learn 6 to 7 point you can learn, okay, of this essay, and prepare one more essay, importance of games and sports, and you can learn 6 to 7 point of that essay also, half of the points.